welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm sorry if it took me so long to unbox this Chanel bag for you guys because uh, truth be told, I already make a video unboxing this item, same item. I will insert a video here. As you can see, I unbox it, I'm making a video for it. But then while I'm preparing the bag for me to use, I noticed that the chain on the close, open and close mechanism, I saw some wear on it, and I'm really like, oh my god, I really love this bag. But then I can't accept the condition because this is a $5,000 bag. So I can accept the wear if it's like, you know, it's if it's from me, but if it's from the boutique, I can't I just can't accept it, you know. So when the first time that I bought this bag, they only have one in the boutique. But then when I get back, luckily they have one more. Just my, as I said, just came. And also they also have the blue color one. They have a couple of them. So actually it's good thing that I saw the blue one, and I did try them on, but I did not take I don't have a picture of me trying on. But yeah, I have the time to compare which one I really like. Is it the green or is it the blue? And yeah, I'm glad that I picked the green actually, because I believe that it was more better suits into my it better suit me in my complexion, in my opinion. So yeah guys, I really checked this bag really thoroughly when, and also my essay also check it for me, double check it for me. And as you can see also, the bag is all squashed when I unbox, and so it's really quite disappointing. But yeah, hopefully this time. So I just get back now, I just come back from the Chanel boutique, and I hope that this time would be perfect. Let's see how the oops. So the Chanel flower sticks on there. I don't know how did it go. It sticks inside here, guys. So yeah, never mind. But came like so. My receipt here, and I noticed that they did not give me the original receipt, but they gave me the like an exchange receipt. I don't know why. So let's unbox this baby. Hopefully it's not squashed. So this is also the reason why that I unbox it right away, because before I waited for a week, because you know guys, we're just moving here in this apartment, and I'm so busy. So here comes the Chanel sticker there. Let me turn a little bit down so you can see. Yeah, it's nice. Excuse my nails also. So sorry. So this is the test bag. Yes guys, I decided to get the same bag, because you know how often you get this. I think it's the same. I think it's squash again. So this is the care booklet. There you go. Let's put that on the side. Here is another sticker. Yeah. Look at that. Another sticker on here. is the, put it there. You see guys, if I waited long, it will be creasing here again. But I think this is a natural, you know, because this bag is like deflated leather. It's not really puffy. So I think that's why it's easy to squash. So I make sure that when I store this, I'm gonna stuff it like so. And yes guys, the one that I returned, there is like a dirt marks already, and I think also some kind of like crack, I don't know. So like, yeah, like really wear already, like by opening and closing this mechanism, this CC mechanism here. So I can already, it's good to know that that will happen to my bag soon if I don't take care of it. And yes, I'm gonna use this to stuff my bag. So yes guys, this is the bucket bag from the 21K collection. We are in a serious lockdown here in Vietnam, so we are closed for, I mean, Chanel boutique is closed for almost 4 months, and it just opened up last November 8th, and so that's why we still got the old collections. I know, I think we are in a 22 cruise collection now, so it's a little bit later for us here. And yeah, I checked everywhere, and that bag also that I got don't have any stickers on the hardware, but this one have. So yeah, I'm so lucky guys that I still have one in this color. So yes, there's a CC there, the bottom, and this is, yeah, caviar leather, and the authenticity plaque is in here. Also, there's one pocket right here. I think you can only put lipstick in there, and then yeah, then just one big compartment. I like this bucket bag. I'm always been looking for a good bucket bag, but they either come in calfskin or lambskin. So yeah, when I saw these guys, I'm really in love. I know they are expensive as well, but I already quite have seen classic flaps in my collection, and I want something different as well. So I opted for this one, and this is the, I like that this bucket bag also is adjustable. As you can see, it comes with this adjustable gold, vintage gold hardware. It says Chanel over there, and also here you can just press this part here to adjust. And I find it really so cute, and you know, I can use this in many ways like, you know, crossbody, shoulder bag, you know. And this being a pocket bag, I like that I can, it's not too bulky, and as you can see, wearing like this, on my shoulder, it sits comfortably. So that's why I love this handbag, and it's just so comfortable and relaxed to use, in my opinion. And yeah, so that's why I'm so glad that there's still one left. And yeah, here also there's like a CC logo with still a sticker on. And yeah, so I like that. Also on the other side, there's also like a CC logo there, a small CC logo. I don't know if you can see right there. And I'm sure that this bag can fit more than the minis. Not that much more, but I think a little bit more. So yeah, I'm so excited, and I'm sure I'm gonna make a video for what fits on this bag, guys. And oh my god, I really love this color. Did I tell you that this is like mint green color? And this pastel color, I know that it can be so easy to pair with any, you know, outfits. So yeah, I'm really happy to get a replacement for this, because I really don't know what to replace it, you guys. There's nothing else in my they have Coco handles, but it's all in the mini size. That is also one of my in my wish list, to have this small size again back into my collection, the Coco handle. But they don't have any, guys. I mean, the first day they open the boutique, it's like pretty much like all gone. Almost all is gone. So yeah, everybody just miss shopping, I guess. So yeah, I can insert some mud shots maybe, wearing this crossbody and the shoulder carry. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'm so sorry it took me so long to upload this video, and I will try my best to unbox again the other one as soon as I can. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day or night. Thank you. Bye. This is how it looks like in the longer settings. But yeah, I really like a little bit shorter, so I can like sit my arms like so. Feels comfortable like this. And I also want to show you how it looks like at the short double chain. This is how it looks like. So it's so comfortable as well. Yeah, so really nice adjustable strap that we have. So yeah, thank you, bye.